It's creepy bird screensaver. It looks awesome on the phone, though. As a video?
Yeah.
It really does look like a freaking screensaver. Like back in the 90s when it was cool just to make dots do stuff.
Okay, there's every
That is
restaurant imagine.
a lot of birds.
Barbecue, 3 sports bars, spaghetti warehouse, 2 Mexican places, melting pot, ribs.
Just mix these birds up properly and we'll get a good nice bird stew in the sky.
I'm surprised none of them run into the bridge.
Or each other. Should be a couple of birds fall out of the sky like, oh,
That's a really
crap.
chain reaction that takes place.